First one go.
I'm here again. See, I came back.
Spread the legs apart a little. Perfect. All right, you're good. So take both of your hands, put it on top of my hand, but go underneath your hair. So, yeah. There you go. Good. Squeeze your elbows together for me. Not too hard.
Okay.
I will bring you back. Just keep squeezing on. Hard, 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 hard. There we go. Yes.
Here we go. I did not expect that.
You did not expect that, right?
I thought you was gonna do something else. Surprise me.
Yeah, have a seat.
You full of surprises.